a teenage girl that is a robot named Jenny XJ9. Had a great life, joined forces with the Autobots, and saved the galaxy many times. Her and her new allies battle many creatures and foes before defeating the arch-enemy, Unicron. But now a greater evil is planning to try to destroy her and her new allies. Something from an old war. Man, I hate jail. I just wish I can just go out there and, maybe see the world or something. Me too. I always want to see like Paris, France, Hawaii, or maybe even Cluster Prime. Ah, man, you boys have no idea what you're talking about. I think this Cyclonus person is talking mutiny about looking for some artifact called the Enigma of Compartment. He's lunatic, he's devious, he's always here. Ah, Cyclonus! It's good to see you again. Yes, I might be Lunacus, but it's the only thing to get revenge upon that XJ unit, along with her family, an alliance with the Autobots, and how she destroyed those Quintessons 3 months ago. Well, that's all about to change. Once we find the Enigma of Compartment, we will unleash its power and take revenge upon Galvatron, Unicron, and everything she's done. I'm with you. Me too. Me 3. Also me 4. Excellent. Now let's get out of here. Excellent. Now we have our own ship. Next stop will be Cybertron to retrieve the Enigma and finally destroy Prime, XJ9, and then all of the Autobots.